Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Shermie Piesa, and this is my
Aaron Campos.
and
Rex Emanjab.
this is my friends. So, among challenge karon is no reaction. Magkaon mi og
Sour
head. Sour
Oh, your
head.
butt.
The challenge will start today. Pero napamantay rules. Kailangan kung naay mo react, atong pa-push upon og 12 ka push up. Ikaw, lantaw diri ba? So, kailangan mag-ana rata. Walay ngisi, wala tanan. Dapat tanan.
Okay.
Dapat sad. Sadhan, no reaction. Gani ha? And dapat, mahuman ng, basta mo-raise mukhan nga. Kanang, wala may reaction. Dapat mahuman. Ipalantaw ang imong dila nga, napabay sour. Let's go. So,
chill!
So, let's start. Isa po ni, ang isa ka rules is dapat ta maghilom. Kaya di ko ka nagbanta. Okay, let's go. Let's start it. Kuha isa. Isa ka na ha. So, akong color guys. Dara guys. Oh.
Blue.
Blue.
Orange.
Blue.
Orange.
Ano?
Blue. Orange.
So guys, eto na ning kanon. Wala pa ha. Ready sa ta. Wait lang. Ready? Steady, go. Ang reaction na mo is tatawa.
Okay.
Wow!